how to publish your designs on Canva to Instagram. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to the Canva website, and from here you can just go ahead and open up the design that you want to publish. Let's just say that I want to publish this design right here. Now you can just go ahead and design the design any way you want to, and right after you can just go ahead and click on the share button, and from here you want to click on see all, scroll down, and under socials we then have Instagram. You can just go ahead and click on Instagram, choose between these two options right here. How would you like to post to Instagram? I'll just go ahead and click on schedule post from desktop, go ahead and click on continue, connect Instagram via your Facebook. So you can just go ahead and click on this button, and you'll be able to set the Canva to publish your designs to Instagram. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.